not missing the exit. We in a E90 335 single turbo. It's good. Look, see? It's a BMW. Damn. Shit. Oh, shit. Damn. Move it. Oh, shit. Oh. Scrapage. Are you sure you're going this way?
I don't know.
Oh, shit.
That's why I'm not front is hella down.
Air ride. Come on. We need
We're
that.
going west. Oh, no, we're going that way.
Jeez, come on, man. Make sure you're going the right way, brother. Oh. Jeez. Let go. Single turbo, E90, single turbo.
You know what it is? That's my shoes, bro. I just realized, I was like, hold on, why is my shoe not letting off?
Hit it in NOBU. Oh, shit. MHD. What you doing? Cheat code. Damn.
Monica.
Oh, damn, that manual light. Oh. Traffic.
Cop right here.
Cop. Oh, shit. Jeez. Where we headed? Oh, shit. Whoa. Maserati.
Oh shit, where's that thing to exit?
Where?
Right here.
Oh, Maserati would have got your ass.
Nah, that's a 458 motor.
Maserati would have got your ass. Damn, bro.
With the E9.
He would have got. Oh. Pow. He would have got you.
Might have. But hey, we never know.
Bro, he would have got you, bro. You would have been.
No, at this point.
Bro, 458.
Oh, 458.
Same thing as a freaking
He got
Maserati.
ran by a 458 last time I heard.
She
I
was
don't
like,
like the shoes. I can't step off the clutch fast enough.
bro, you didn't step off the clutch?
Yeah, wait.
Step off the clutch way.
Why's the AC on?
Bro, because you couldn't step off the clutch way.
Whoa.
Whoa. Blast, damn, that's a little excessive, don't you think? Come on, with the N54, single turbo. Come on. How you doing that in E90? Whoa. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Traction's a hell of a thing, huh?
Bro, it's that manual. It's that manual light. DCT would have spun off.
Oh shit.
DCT would have been spun off. Whoa. You about to hit this Jeep Wrangler 4x4 square. Shit, you're scaring the Mustang owners. You're scaring a Mustang owner. Mustang owner's scary. Bro. How's NOBU over here? I thought it was on Malibu.
Break.
Where? Oh, I just said break.
So we're going to NOBU's over here?
No, West Hollywood.
West Hollywood. NOBU was sold out in Malibu.
No.
Wrong.
Kitty right here,
Hello Kitty, let's see it.
No.
Oh, you sure? Make sure it's a Hello Kitty. Make sure it's a Hello Kitty before you start doing some crazy. You know, it's Black Hood.
I'm pretty sure we're doing crazy shit.
They don't know about no. It's two girls, two females. They don't know about no damn Hello Kitty or no 3D5 single turbo. Oh. Damn.
Where's it at? GPS.
She wee wee.
Wee.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We're getting close.
Speed limit out here. Oh, look at this guy.
Oh, that's a Fiat.
Oh shit. Where's it at? Where's that? Where's it at? How far are we, dude?
You're still 3 minutes, dude.
Are you serious? 3 minutes?
3 minutes, dude.
Oh, look at this guy behind me. And his Audi.
Audi TT twin turbo.
I'm gonna roll back into what? Why would I want to do that? He's gonna hit my car.
Bro, you're gonna. Damn, your windshield's
overheating? No,
your windshield's hella dirty.
What?
Whoa, look at your gauge.
Look at the water
You're
temp.
overheating.
No, we're not. Water temp was 78.
Never. Hey, do that little 1-2.
No.
Hey, how many horsepower?
4.
4.
Yeah, kilowatts.
Wow,
Yeah, kilowatts.
much power.
No, it's on low
Here,
boost.
Four people.
Yeah, 4 horsepower.
4 fat people.
Oh shit.
No. I'm saying you weigh this a lot.
It weighs a lot. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you know it.
And your
Tortas,
launch is bad.
tortas,
And your
tortas,
launch-
way.
Yeah, your launch is bad.
No, it's slow.
Yeah, have a good one, guys.
You do.
Take care.
Thank you. He said Fortitos.
Pull my phone up. Pull my phone up. No, it says sport cooling. That's why. Usually it's about 220, 219 is usually the sport cooling.
Ready?
You do track cooling.
3, 2.
What?
Sport cooling. What's sport cooling?
This is how you do it right here. You load it up. I'm doing none of that. Oh, hey!
Oh, Ferrari, nigga.
Hey!
Race
Come,
me.
hey!
Race me.
Come! Come!
Race me.
Right here.
Come! Come!
Oh shit. Yeah, boy. Friday won't have smoke.
Where's the thing at? Bitch ass thing. Get out of my way, homie. Oh, that's the guy. That's the guy.
Nobu's up here.
0.5.
Nobu's 0.5 miles, boy. You gotta get there. Oh, clutch.
It's not clutch. It's brake. Oh, look at this guy. That's red.
That's red, brother.
How far are we?
Nobu.
1 minute, right
1
here.
minute,
After
Nobu.
this light. It's on the left side?
Yeah. Oh, you got a valet too. You got a valet. You got to valet something. You have to. Oh shit, hella cars. You got a valet because everyone's gonna hear that turbo, nigga.
Oh, valet just to get in there early.
You got a valet. Only supercars.
I'm not a supercar, but we'll be super tonight. Look at the hills, bro.
Oh.
Oh, right here.
Nobu right there.
You can park right here.
No, we gotta go valet, I thought.
Oh, right behind the
Car?
G80. G80.
Oh, shit, the car behind us.
Oh, beep, motherfucker.
Where's it at?
Right here.
No parking, it says.
For valeting. Whoa, that shit sound crazy. Air out.
No, we gotta.
Oh, what's that smell? Smell coolant.
Clutch. How you doing, brother? You can't park it, right? It's valet. Yeah, get it, take it.
Go to Nobu. I'm at E90. Yeah, E90. Man, guys, we had to leave.
Hey, go check it.
We had to leave that Beamer Fest, man. It was too hot. We hitting the streets though. Hitting the Nobu real quick. Gotta get some food real quick. Gotta get some food though. Get some sushi. Man. Let's see what we get into, man. Nobu first time, man. It's the Nobu for the first time. Let's see what it's talking about. Let's see what Nobu talking about. This shit, the food better be fine. If you guys been to Nobu before, if y'all know about Nobu, it's that bougie ass shit, man. Let's see what it's talking about.